Hi everyone, this is Sai Pranendra from SQL School. I assure you practical step-by-step classes from scratch from the very basics. What is Power BI? Power BI is a reporting environment, analytics environment, dashboarding and visualization environment. The red box on my screen, the right side. Power BI can read data from wide variety of sources. It may be Excel file or flat file like text CSV or tab separated value TSV, DAT, DAT files, AVRO, Parquet, JSON, XML, HTML, any type of data file format, we can happily report in Power BI. Not only that, even databases also, either small to big databases, either live interactive enterprise databases to data warehouses. Any data we can read and happily report in Power BI. This Power BI has 7 different design tools we are going to learn in our classes. Main advantage of Power BI. Yes, Power BI has good amount of advantages. Number one, it is comparatively cheaper. When you compare Power BI, its power of data visualizations with other reporting platforms, other analytic platforms like Tableau, ClickView, ClickSense, etc. My God, Power BI has vast offers, vast features to offer us. Yet it is very cheap, comparatively cheaper, okay, and easier to implement. My classes, I will make sure things are very simple and straightforward. I will make them easier for you, trust me, trust me. Very user-friendly environment, faster analytics, cloud reporting, and on-premises reporting activities. In my classes for Power BI, I'll make sure we have 50 plus examples on Power Query, 50 plus examples on DAX, and CoPilot, AI-based CoPilot activities. What are the job roles you can opt for from my Power BI classes, from my Power BI training? You can opt for Power BI Developer or Data Analyst, Business Analyst. Number 4, BI Developer. Number 5, Data Engineers. For Data Engineers, this Power BI is an add-on, optional add-on. What we are going to learn in my classes, my Power BI classes, there are total 3 modules for Power BI. My complete Power BI training course, I divided into 3 different modules. Module 1, the prerequisite Microsoft SQL and TSQL, that includes 400 plus queries and 3 real-time case studies. 100% practical, step by step. Then comes core Power BI concepts, 6 design tools, 50 plus examples on Power Query, 50 plus examples on something called DAX, Data Analysis Expression Language, mainly for interactive reports, dynamic reports, and additional decorations on your reports like calculations, computations, star ratings, etc. We use DAX. We have 50 examples on Power BI Cloud with semantic models, 1 real-time project, and complete guidance for Microsoft certification for Data Analyst PL300 exam. And to continue, we have Module 3, Power BI with CoPilot and Fabric Analytics. We have CoPilot with Power BI Cloud, Power BI Desktop and DAX. We have Fabric Warehouse with Power BI integrations, Fabric Lakehouse with Power BI, Fabric KQL and real-time case study, and DP600 Fabric Data Analytics exam. Part of this module 3. To make it more clear for our learning process, Module 1 is all about database concepts. We have introduction, installations, SQL basics. Then comes import, export, schemas, and indexes with RDBMS concepts, constraints and keys, and cascading keys. Then we'll continue for joins, views, functions, data types, triggers, and data modeling activities, normal forms, and temp tables, architecture, detailed database architecture, and lock concepts, no lock, read pass, transactions, cursors, common table expressions, query tuning with linked servers. We also have merge, upset, rank functions with grouping and cube activities. Part of this detailed 400 plus queries module 1 MS SQL with 3 real-time case studies. 2 mandatory for everyone, and 3rd for experienced profiles with normal forms, self-joins, and Excel analytics. Interesting concepts. Module 2 is all about Power BI, our core backbone component in this course. We'll start from introduction, slowly proceed for basic reports, groups, hierarchies, visual sync, big data activities, bookmarks, buttons, and visualizations with scenarios. We are going to learn slowly Power Query, 50 examples on Power Query, and 50 examples on cloud. And we are going to learn about report server, RDL, paginated reports, and 50 examples on DAX, DAX, data analysis expression language. Additionally, we have real-time project and PL 300 examination guidance, as I mentioned earlier in this module. Then we'll proceed for module 3, Power BI with CoPilot and Fabric Data Analytics. We'll start slowly with AI components, fundamentals of Azure AI, Power BI CoPilot, CoPilot with Power BI Desktop, and Power BI Cloud with CoPilot integrations, CoPilot with Power BI DAX operations, and semantic models in Power BI with Fabric. Interesting, cool concepts we are going to learn practically. With DP 600 examination guidance. Sorry for the typo. I'll quickly correct the things here. DP 700 is actually for data engineers, okay? Fabric data engineers, DP 700. This is DP 600. I'm quickly correcting it. Please bear with me for a few moments. Yes, on my screen now. DP 600 examination guidance with end-to-end real-time case study and mini project. For module 3, we have mini project. Module 2, we have major project. It works for our resume. Pretty sure about it. What else? Yes, here it is. So module 1, 2, 3. Total 3 different modules. You may plan for only 1 and 2 or 1, 2, 3. Complete Power BI full stack. However, if you're already aware of module 1 MS SQL concepts, you can directly go for module 2 Power BI. You can do whichever modules you want as per your comfort. Next, what else? So choose your plan accordingly, either A or B or C. A, only Power BI, B, SQL plus Power BI, or C, SQL Power BI with CoPilot. As per your choice, okay, whichever modules you wanted to. Next, I assure you practical classes with complete hands-on and concept-wise assignments. I need to guide you for certification. I need to guide you for your resume and job work also, along with mock interviews. I'll do it. I'll do my job very, very carefully. Please opt for either live training, live online interactive training, or self-paced video training, any of them, same content, same curriculum. Any further questions or clarifications, please reach us on the numbers you see on my screen. Glad to assist you further. See you there in my live demo session if you are looking for live training. Or you may also opt for self-paced videos, and you will be contacting me directly for doubts, clarifications, either live or self-paced videos, same content, same material, and same examples with same assignments. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. See you soon in my classes. Have a nice time. Take care.